What's the meaning of clampdown? Clampdown. Clampdown.
Clampdown. Clampdown. Clampdown refers to a forceful restriction or crackdown on certain activities or behaviors, often imposed by a government or authority. This can involve increased surveillance, stricter laws and regulations, and more severe punishment for violations. The ultimate result of a clampdown is to decrease or completely halt the targeted behaviors or activities, with the aim of restoring order or preventing harm to society. However, it can also lead to increased tension and conflict between those who oppose the restrictions and those enforcing them.